chose the United Nations Sustainability Goal number 6, which is clean water and sanitation. We thought this was particularly prevalent at the moment as large patches of garbage, such as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, are making big headlines for the impact they're having on the environment. We chose to focus on a product that will eliminate the garbage before it reaches the lakes and oceans. We would prefer to have a solution that's more proactive rather than the retroactive solutions we have right now.
As a group took a proactive measure on tackling our system's waterways, the real root of the problem is single-use plastic. Single-use plastics account for the majority of the litter and pollution in our waterways, and that's what ends up breaking into the microplastics. In developing countries without waste management systems and no infrastructure to support the waste management, people don't have any other options except to deal with their garbage in their own ways, and some of those ways end up polluting our waterways.
One of the reasons this product is so important right now is that routinely plastics are making their way through rivers, usually into oceans and lakes, and decomposing into microplastics, which are making their way into the ecosystem, which actually has a negative effect both on the natural ecosystem and humans themselves, as we rely heavily on eating food and drinking water from the ecosystems around us.
We came to Mission Creek Park as a recreational area for a possible place for us to implement our project.
Now don't you ever be sad, lean on me when the times are bad. When the day comes and you're down, baby, in a river.
One of the many local applications for our product is right here at Mission Creek. It is a fast-flowing large river that is also home to many tourists throughout the season, so create a significant amount of garbage, some of which unfortunately ends up in the river, and we would like to use our product to filter that out.
This is our looks-like model of the product. So as we can see in the riverbed, here will be the tubes that we'll install into it. These will pump air bubbles out from the compressor located up here, which is powered by a solar panel, so it's completely self-sustained and renewable, not relying on fossil fuels or coal-powered anything to power.
So as you can see in this model right here, we have implanted a solar panel which could provide more energy to our system and also decrease CO2 emissions. And we also implanted this air compressor which could provide consistent airflow into our tube system.
The bubbles that come out of the tubes along the bottom of the river rise to the surface, where they should guide garbage to the side of the river where it can be filtered out. As you can see, we have two sets of tubes along the bottom. Therefore, any garbage missed by the first set will be caught by the second set, and minimal garbage will get through.
And in this catcher, it is easily removable by sliding it straight up from the river. And you could also be easily placed back down by sliding it back down and continue to catch any trash and any stuff we like to collect.
Our functions-like model created from Home Depot. We got a bunch of T-brackets and piping, and concocted them together with Scotch tape. The river worked well, and it demonstrated our product perfectly.